just got home. Gotta feed these chickens a little bit more because they are in the porch asking. I don't know how they be doing. Out here waiting. Right, Ruby? Junior? Goodness. What are y'all doing? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can see anything. Oh, I busted my ass. Right, babies? Hey, Bonnie. Baby chickens. What y'all chickens do? Good chickens. You'll have to get y'all in the spot. Girls say it's cold. Poor Rolly, Sexy, Nova, Red. I see y'all. Them are good girls. Daddy loves y'all. Good Nova, good Red, good Sexy, good Rolly. I know it's cold, babies. Bring y'all in. Hey, Duff. Homie. Gotta give Homie and his babies some food. Oh, the baby group's coming. King Nug. Tommy. Too many Tommy. They're not as kids, they're just bantams, miniatures. Silky mama. It's a fluff butt. Queen C. The rest of the babies. What's up, everybody? Toast. Oh, there's a Nug. And a Silk. JB, this Silky, is no longer with us anymore. But we named him JB because he's a Silky, so he's Silky Smooth. So he's JB Smooth. Oh, man. Oh, you're all wet, buddy. Good chickens. Dirty! What's up, baby? Good babies. Daddy love y'all.